How to get Walmart W-2 form online. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me head over to Google Chrome. In the search bar, search for One Walmart. It will land you on this page. What you want to do is simply head over to the very first site. You will be landing on the official page of One Walmart. Once you are in here, what you want to do is, in the search bar, you have to search for W2. Once you have searched for W2, it will land you on this page. Simply click on How to get your W2. In here it says, a guide to help you check your pay, withholdings, and taxes. What you want to do is, scroll all the way down, and then over here it says, for step-by-step direction on how to get your W2 from electronically, visit the online W2 page on One Walmart. So simply move into this highlighted text online W2 page, and inside that you will be able to see all of the steps and guidance on how to get Walmart 2 form online, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can get Walmart W2 form online. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.